The only person you have to convince is yourself. You have to convince yourself that men chase you all the time. How to make men chase you all the time? Hello, I'm Areta from Exaggerate. Now, we're going to discuss how to make a man chase you all the time, how to make men chase you all the time, how to be irresistible to men. Let's discuss a bit about Greek mythology. In Greek mythology, we know or we've heard about sirens. A siren was thought of as a beautiful woman who lived on an island, and she sang so sweetly that sailors plunged into the sea just to be with her. Her song was so irresistible to men. But of course, you're not planning on killing any man, please. But in the modern day, sirens are known as women who are irresistible to men. So how can you be a siren? It's not as basic as you think in terms of the kind of clothes you wear, or your makeup, or your hair. All those things are great, yeah, but they don't make you a siren. You can look so great, you can look so beautiful, you can have the best makeup, you can have the best hair. It doesn't make men chase you all the time. It does not. Okay? What works is that you convince yourself that men chase you all the time. Simple. You have to convince yourself that men chase you all the time. How do you convince yourself that men chase you all the time? If the opposite is true, how do you do that? How do you convince yourself? What I recommend is that stand in front of a mirror, press your index finger to your chest and say, I am irresistible. I am charming. Men fall in love with me. I attract great men. I am amazing. So you keep saying these words to yourself in front of the mirror. Say it as many times as you can. Say it, say it, say it. And then as you go about your day, you repeat these words in your mind. Keep thinking, I'm irresistible. I'm charming. Men fall in love with me. I attract great men. I'm amazing. Things like that. You keep repeating these words in your mind as you go about your day. Keep repeating these words in your mind. Now, my sisters, just before you go to bed, and just as you wake up in the morning, say to yourself, I am beautiful. I am attractive. Men find me very attractive. Keep saying these words and say them with feeling. Say them with feeling. I'm beautiful. I am attractive. Men find me very attractive. You keep saying it and saying it and saying it. You say it before you go to bed and say it as you wake up in the morning, and then you repeat them in your mind as you go about your day. Keep doing this. Do this until you believe it. Do this until you believe it. My sisters, it's not about your size. It's not about your looks. It's not about your age. It's not about your style. It's about your aura. Your aura. What is aura? It's like energy attracts like energy. We're all energy. Everything is energy. It is just a matter of energy. This thing works, my sisters. It works very well. Hey, very, very well. I know what it did for me, the confidence it gave me. I used to have issues with the kind of guys that I used to attract. But once I started doing this thing, oh man, see the guys I say are attracting, and now I'm in a very happy relationship with a wonderful guy. So it works. It works. Just try it. It will work for you. Now, if there's no contact between you and the man that you like, and you want this man to call you, check out my How to Make a Man Call You After No Contact video. You'll love it. I tell you, you'll love it. It will teach you so many things. Now, and also if you have a date with a guy planned, and you want this date to go well, watch this, my How to Make Your First Date with a Guy a Success video. First, before you go on the date with him, this will make everything work perfectly well. So my sisters, I'm thinking of writing an ebook about how you can meet a great guy through online dating, a kind of guy that you can have a serious relationship with. So if you think that this is the kind of book that you like to read, comment down below. If you want me to make a video about how to make a man see you not just as a girlfriend, but as a wife, comment down below. Share this video with a sister that you know who needs this. Share this video with anyone you know who needs this, please. So until the next video, my sisters, stay lit as always. Bye.